A very warm welcome to all of you. Myself, Surbhi Teotia, Faculty of Management at IPM, Ghaziabad. So the topic for today is staffing and its process, right? So let's start the topic. So first of all comes staffing. So as we all know that it refers to the process of filling vacant positions in the organization with skilled and qualified employees. Or in other words, we can say that staffing means finding the right person for the right work. Fine. So let's talk about the process of staffing. So basically, there are 9 steps in the process of staffing. First of all comes your human resource planning, that is HRP. Once we are done with the human resource planning, we'll move to the next step, that is your recruitment. After recruitment comes selection. Then after selection comes your induction and orientation programs. Then we'll do the training and development of the employees, and we'll do their performance evaluation or performance appraisal. And according to their performance evaluation, we'll do their transfers, demotions, and promotions. So let's talk about the first process, that is your human resource planning. So basically, human resource planning, it involves job analysis, forecasting, and determining the future needs or future manpower needs of an organization. If we talk about the job analysis, so in job analysis, basically we break the job into smaller parts, which are then analyzed to determine that what are the need or what are the requirements of that particular job. And according to job analysis, will write down the job description and job specification of a job. And in job description, we can say job description involves the job title, then what are the duties and responsibilities in that particular job, and what are the working culture or working condition in which that job has to be performed. So it's all about the job description. If we talk about the job specification, it means that what are the skills, knowledge, and experience which are required to do that particular job. So basically in human resource planning, we forecast the manpower need or future manpower needs of an organization. So once we are done with the human resource planning, we'll move to the next step, that is your recruitment. Fine. So basically recruitment, it is a process to attract a maximum number or a pool of eligible candidates for a job, for a particular job. Fine. In this, we will attract a maximum number or a pool of eligible candidates. And this can be done through various methods, like we can use social media to post our jobs. We can also use advertisements. Apart from that, we can also conduct meetups, and we can also check resumes which are posted online. Fine, once we are done with the process of recruitment, we'll move to the next step or to the next process of staffing, that is selection. So in selection, we'll do the screening of the candidates, and the best suitable candidate are appointed as per the recruitment, as per the requirement. Fine. And this can be done through personal interviews, written test. We can also conduct physical ability test, and we can also conduct TAT. That is thematic appreciation test, which are done to know about the psychology of the employees. And we can also do the selection by our references, by the references of current employees. So in selection, we'll select the eligible candidates or the deserving candidates, and we will reject the rest. That's why it is said that recruitment is a positive process while selection is a negative process, because we will do the rejection here. Fine, once we have done with the selection, we'll move to the next process, that is orientation and induction training. So orientation and induction training, these are the ice breaking sessions. These kind of trainings are given to the employees at the time of their joining to make them familiar with the working environment of the organization. And if we talk about the orientation and induction training, so employee can be given, so we can give them basic information about the organization, that what are the objectives of the organization. Apart from that, what is the vision and mission of the organization, what benefits the organization will provide you, what are the working conditions like timing, attendance, that how to fill the timesheet. Fine. So these all are the parts of orientation and induction training. And once we are done with the induction and orientation training, we'll move to the next process. So the fifth process is placement. So as we can see, so the definition is, placement means putting the right person on the job for which he is selected. It includes introducing the employee to his job. Means we will put right person at the right job, or we will put the person or the employee at the real working condition or at his desk job. Then after placement comes your training and development. Now we'll provide them training and development programs. So as we know that training is a short-term process which is given to the employee for the enhancement of particular skill, behavior, and attitude for doing a particular job. And training can be provided by two methods. One is your on-the-job method